In today's video, I'm going to teach you to pay Halifax credit card bill. We'll walk through the process clearly and calmly so you can follow along on either the Halifax online banking website or the mobile app. Make sure you have a good internet connection and that you're signed up for online banking before you begin. Start by logging into your Halifax online banking or opening the Halifax mobile app and entering your secure details. Take a second to confirm you're on the official Halifax site or the official app for your device, and avoid using public Wi-Fi when dealing with payments for added security. Once you're in, head to the payments section. On the app, this is usually along the bottom or in the main menu. On the website, it's typically in the top navigation. This is where Halifax keeps all tools for moving money, including transfers and bill payments, so you're in the right place. Now, select your credit card account. If you have more than one Halifax product, you may see a list of accounts. Make sure you pick the correct credit card, especially if you carry multiple cards, to ensure the payment lands in the right place. Next, choose Make a Payment. This opens the payment screen specifically for your credit card. You'll see fields that let you choose where the money is coming from and how much you want to send. Select the account you want to pay from. Most people use their Halifax current account, but if you have more than one current or savings account available for payments, pick the one with sufficient cleared funds. It's a good idea to glance at both your balance and your available balance to avoid overdraft fees. Enter the amount you wish to pay. You can pay the minimum payment, the full statement balance, or any custom amount that suits your budget. If you're aiming to avoid interest, paying the full statement balance by the due date is best. Double check the amount to make sure there are no extra zeros or missing digits. Before you send it, review all the details carefully, the from account, the credit card you're paying, and the amount. When everything looks correct, confirm the payment. You should see a confirmation message, and in many cases, you'll get a reference or a transaction ID. It's helpful to take a screenshot or note that reference for your records. And that's it. Your Halifax credit card bill has been successfully paid. Depending on the time of day, the payment may show up right away or after processing. Keep an eye on your credit card balance to ensure it updates, and you're all set for a smooth on-time payment.